Hey everybody, this is Alex Kahaya. I'm the founder of Action Wins, and just been getting a lot of questions lately about how to do referral marketing to drive downloads of mobile applications, and wanted to share how you can do this just from a technical standpoint. So I thought to show a really good example, everybody's probably pretty familiar with Uber's referral program. You can do this for a B2B business as well, but Uber has a pretty good one. And so if you can see, I'm just going to open up the Uber app, and I've already got the free rides thing open. So if you just click the little hamburger up here at the top, you go to free rides, you'll see that. And you can either copy this link, like hit copy, and it will copy the link. This is actually a whole link. It's not just an invite code. And if you hit send invites, I'll just use Messenger to send it to myself. So you can see, just send it to, you guys are going to be able to give me a call now. Send it to me. It's going to show up on my laptop. This basically just send me this link. And then I'm going to click that link, and it's going to open up here. And you can basically see that they just have a landing page, and it goes, you got a free ride, welcome to Uber. So this is if I just refer this with you, and we'll get $20 to our first ride. And now it's asking me to create my account. So basically this is how they do it. First they create the account, and once you fill this out, they redirect you to a landing page to download the app. When you download the app and you log in the first time, that's when the referral gets counted. And at Action Wins, we've got an API that makes it super easy to do this, to actually build this whole feature. So assuming your engineers have some endpoints for creating an account, this landing page to actually create the account outside your application should be pretty easy to spin up. Really shouldn't take that much time. Basically, this is the first part of the referral. They sent the link. Now it knows, once you sign up here and you create your account, it knows that person number one sent person number two that link, and they clicked on it and they created an account. But the referral doesn't get counted yet. You have to have two steps. The second step is when they download the app and log in for the first time. When they log in for the first time, you trigger that second part. If we look at our API, you can actually see that we have all the API calls to make that possible. So we'll go to referral events, and you have this endpoint that says start a two-part referral. So the start of the two-part referral happens when they create their account on this page. And then the completion of that two-part referral event happens when that person downloads the app for the first time and logs in. So your developer just needs to write a method that on first login, complete the two-part referral event if they were referred by somebody. And so it's pretty simple. And then from there, you can just go to the dashboard and you can see all the. I'll just have to log in really quickly, but you can see all the referrals that have been sent in and how much money you're making from your referral program pretty easily. These are just a bunch of demo accounts. I can scroll down here and find one that's got a little bit of data in it. So we can go to the dashboard here, and you can see, there's been 5 referrals, there's 9 advocates, and we put each referral at worth $100. That's just up to you. And then, some thoughts about rewards. In this example, I have an app, a fake customer that their business model is, tier 1 is 10 questions a month cost $9 a month, 20 questions a month cost $69 a month. They have like multiple tiers, and so they set up their referral campaign. Refer one person, get 10 extra questions that month. Refer 2 people, get 20 extra questions that month. And you can see down here, this person has referred 5 people and earned 4 rewards because the top level of reward was 4 referrals. Finally you can see like who was referred by who and all that down there. So it's pretty simple to set up and do. You can also just like set up some notifications in webhooks. So we can see that if I go to edit campaign, I'll go to the notification section to show you that. And these webhooks, these notifications, that's what you're going to want to actually use to send, your advocates. So someone who earned a reward, you could send them a message saying, hey, you earned this reward. Thanks so much. And it will notify them that they're going to get that reward automatically triggered in their account. Or you can set it up to send yourself an email notification, or you can set up a webhook. Your developer will set that up, And basically that webhook allows for non-technical people, it just allows you to do something with the information about that reward. So it sends, hey, here's the reward that was just earned, here's the advocate who just earned it, and the people he's referred or she's referred, and they can go from there. So some more thoughts about actual rewards. We were in a conversation yesterday just to on the SaaS Growth Hacks group. If I go to, I'll just go to the group and check my notifications to find that again. I was messaging. We were messaging each other. Just having a conversation about the different, with Shanu, the different types of referral programs that are set up. And Shanu has a company called, just forgot the name, so I need to go back here and look. Has a company called Clinchpad. So if you go to Clinchpad, now they tried referrals at Clinchpad and it didn't seem to work out for them. But I just wanted to show their pricing structure because it, is one of the things that I look at to say whether or not you have a good structure for this. So they have their pricing model is 1 user and 2 gigabytes of storage for the bronze. Silver's 5 users, 5 gigabytes of storage. So they have some currency here that they can give for as a reward. So like maybe you're in bronze, but you want to get one more user. We'll refer another customer and we'll give you that extra user, or we'll give you another gigabyte of storage. So this is kind of a classic example of a company that could do this. I can't remember exactly why it didn't work for Clinchpad, but I think it had something to do with the time it took people to convert to paid or something like that. And anyway, this is one example. Another company that I like, Import.io. I was just checking them out yesterday. And I always go back to the pricing structure when thinking about how to structure a client's rewards. So when I looked at the pricing structure here for Import, they have one of the big pieces of their revenue models. It's a B2B company here, is how many queries a month you get. So I can imagine that one really good incentive is giving people more queries. So maybe it's like 10,000 more queries per month for referring another customer who signs up and pays. Pretty simple there. I mean, you can also use things like Tango Card. We do an integration with Tango Card for you, where you can automate the rewards that way, sending gift cards or other things like that, prepaid debit cards. That also works, but you just really need to test that and be careful. So I hope this helps you guys figure out both a little bit about how to structure B2B rewards, as well as how, if you have a mobile app, you can drive downloads by doing a referral program. I have a customer who is integrating right now who is going to incentivize their users to share and enter into a contest. So it's like refer 3 people to sign up and get 3 entries into the contest. 10 people get 10 entries. And the contest is to win $1,000. So the more people you refer, the more chance you have of winning that $1,000. So if you guys have any questions, would love to hear what you have to say. Just leave some comments below, and would love any feedback you have. Thanks.